If you need to resize an image in Windows 11, let me show you a few ways, fast, free, and easy. So one of the easiest ways is to just double click the image right into the regular Photos app, come up here to the three dots, select that, and right here you'll see Resize Image. From here, we can set this to whatever we want. So let's just say 1280 by 720 there. Choose the file type, that quick, that easy. Choose Save, give it whatever name you want, save, and there we go. Now we have that image sized right here exactly to what we want. So in this case, 1280 by 720. Now this really comes in handy for those times when maybe you want to upload a YouTube thumbnail. You'll remember in a previous video, we generated some images using AI for our YouTube thumbnail, but by default, they're going to be much larger than 1280 by 720 or 1080p. So in that case, this is a really great method to do that. Just come up here, again, three dots, resize the image and type in whatever you want there. But we also do have a couple more options to resize images here for free in Windows 11. Another option you have is to get a free program, a free add-on called Microsoft PowerToys. So you just go over to the Microsoft Store, download and install that, and then you get this really cool functionality. Once you have PowerToys installed, I can now right-click an image and choose Resize with Image Resizer. From there, I can choose some basic ratios here. So 1920 by 1080, I can go to custom, I can do whatever I want there, but let's just say we want it to be 1920 by 1080. I also have the option to remove metadata, which is a really great thing to do. I mean, sometimes when you try to upload an image with too much metadata, it won't process in certain apps. You can also ignore orientation of the picture, et cetera, et cetera. So I can just choose resize from that simple right click, and right there, right here, we have that image resized, ready to go. And a really cool thing about that, by the way, about that right click method is we can also do this in batches. So I can select multiple images there, either select one, shift, select the other, or even just draw a marquee over them. Then I can right click all three of those images, choose resize with image resizer. Let's say I want all of these to be YouTube thumbnails or something. I can just type in 1280 by 720. I can remove the metadata if I want. You don't have to. Choose resize, and boom, there we go. Look at that. All three of those images in one go, batch processed very, very quickly, all 1280 by 720, and perfect for uploading directly to YouTube or, of course, editing in your image editor. Now, you also do have another free option that you could try, and that would be getting a full-on image editor. No, you don't have to pay for it. This one is called Affinity, and Affinity is going to give you all the power, pretty much all the power, of something like Photoshop, but none of the cost. So in that case, you can just open up Affinity, drag in your image, come up here to File, and then you can go to Export, and then again, type in whatever ratio you want for your image. Of course, feel free to do anything else in here that you want. Use any of the built-in Photoshop like tools. Another option for Affinity would be to come to File, choose New, and set up a preset for whatever size of image that you want to use. So in this case, a 720p thumbnail. I'll just bring that up there. So this size is 720p. In that case, I can just grab whatever image that I want, throw it right in there, and then I can pull it down to get it to fit into that 720 manually. As you can see, this image here isn't exactly 16 by 9 ratio. So doing it like this, I can pull it and size it and set it exactly how I want. So I'll be sure to have a link for Affinity, which again is 100% free. I'll have a link for that in the description below. But that should give you 3 different great options, easy, fast, and free options to resize images here in Windows 11, either using that free Affinity, installing PowerToys, so you have the Resize with Image Resizer in your right click, which I really, really like for quickly resizing several images, or the standard double click an image, come up to your 3 dots, resize the image, set it to whatever you want, save it out, and you are good to go. Built in here, folks, to Windows 11.